Hey everyone, so I am trying something new today. So how excited are you today to see what I have in store for you? So literally I have been working on my eyes, specifically my eyes, primarily because there's a lot of women that are starting to have a little bit more droopiness around their eyes. It's not just me. It kind of comes at this time. So what I am going to show you today is just a real simple, easy, quick way of changing that a little bit. Okay, so first let me just I put my colors and stuff in a different container. I went away this weekend, so we have some more fall products coming out, but the ones that I showed you here, the new eye colors and the new lip colors, they're just fabulous. Okay, you're gonna love them. On lifting our eyes. So I found that when I put my makeup on, as I used to before, okay, I found that it actually makes my eyes turn down. And I was like, okay, how do I fix this? Because I love color, but I don't want it to look strange. Like, oh my gosh, look at that person. But I started noticing women that have the same problem as mine. And what I realized was if I just change it to a little bit higher up and a little more straighter, instead of putting it following my actual eye, that it will lift my eyes instead of droop it down. So I start here because this is my brow bone, right? And so I start here and I come all the way to the outside. And what I found the best way to do this was to put the color there and to come over. Okay, and I use my point applicator because then I can put it exactly where I want it. I have my other one that I will show you in a little bit how to blend this out. Keep moving these brushes. So I'm just going to start out with my lighter color, and today I'm just going to do with a real simple brown. So this color is Sandcastle. It is a matte. It's not a it's a matte color, has no sparkle in it, because I'm going to put sparkle down below. So literally I'm going right here from the middle, and then I'm going to bring it the thickest in the right across from my brow, center of my eye, and then I'm keeping it, so I'm almost not bringing it all the way to the outside. Okay, I will blend that in a little bit later, and then I will keep this so you can actually see where my crease, so when I look up, this is what you see. You don't see any of this, so why put a color there? Remember, darker colors hide and lighter colors expand. So one of the colors that I like to use very often is this right up here under my brows. I will get to them in a second here. And I'm using our, this is actually one of our newer brushes, and I'm going to take my angle brush, okay, and I'm going to go out with a little, it's a gorgeous color. Mary Kay, just, you know, if they take a color away, they're bringing out a newer one, and it's just going to be better. So I am actually going to just kind of follow. So as if I was using this as my liner, right? That is exactly what I'm doing. I'm just following this all the way up. And it will actually come here. Then what we're going to do is I'm actually going to do this in. Now you can see I have a lot of extra little lid material here, skin, and so it's a little bit harder to blend. So I am just going to apply this a little bit right here because it's a darker color, and as you can tell, you can put it on as thick as you want or as light. Now, I have it down on my eyes, so what? My swiper, this is my swiper, and I'm just going to blend these two together, okay? And I'm not swiping back and forth. I'm putting it down, swiping in, okay? Putting it down, swiping in. I just want them to blend seamlessly. And if I feel I need to lighten this one up just a little bit more, I can do that, okay? What I am going to do is I'm going to bring it up just a little bit higher because I don't want it so far down underneath my brow there. Okay, so I went away this weekend and things were not put back yet. Exactly. So let's get out our precision brow liner. Get our brows kind of moving here. I always do that because it gives me a better idea how they're gonna look. Because when I put my eyebrows out like this, right, they look lifted. But if I go like so, they're not lifted. So, and I probably talk with my eyebrows lifted because that is something I started doing. I found that keeps these away. And now I love to just use my eyebrow, my precision eyebrow pencil, because it looks more natural to my colors. You can tell my hair is really light right now, and it will stay that way for So ladies, if this helped you out any and you would like to see more, let me know. Definitely private message me down below. And if you would like to order anything, my website is down there, and you feel free to click on the link and go and just kind of explore and go around. Otherwise, look for the next video that's coming up, and definitely subscribe so you get all notifications quick, fast, and ahead of everyone else. So thank you very much. This is Kimm Brown.